Hey guys, this is Nikhil from Tech1 Consumer and I'm back with a new video after a long time. So in today's video we are gonna be unboxing and taking a first look at the Poco F1. So if you guys are not aware, Poco is a sub brand of Xiaomi. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the unboxing. Taking a look at the box, you can see some of the specs mentioned. It also says that it is a made in India product. Let's open the box and see what else we get in the box. Opening up the box, we see some regular paperwork. And here's the device itself, which is in steel blue, which looks quite impressive in my opinion. As you can see in the bottom, there's a USB Type-C and a speaker. On the top, you get a 3.5mm earphone jack. Let's remove the plastic from the back. As you can see, the device looks really clean. Let's also remove the plastic from the front. So by the time the device boots up, let's see what else we get in the box. So here's the charger. It is a quick charge 3.0 certified charger. So it shall charge your quick device really quickly. You also get a USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. There's also a Sim Ejector Tool, and that's all we get in the box. As you can see, you also get a TPU case along with the device. So I have already applied the case so you can see how well it fits. In my opinion, the case is really not of a good quality. You can see it's really thin and it barely covers your device. So it comes for free, so really can't complain, but you should get a case as soon as possible. So going to the device, as you can see, let's see how much of free storage space we get. As I have the 664GB model, so around 54GB is free out of the 64GB storage space. So let's check how's the camera. Let me quickly take a picture of an object. I'll also be leaving some camera samples so that you can judge how's the camera quality by yourself. As you can see, the picture came out to be good. There are plenty of details. So here are some of the camera samples. This is an indoor shot and this is an outdoor shot. You can see the colors are really good and the dynamic range is really nice. So this is how MIUI in Poco phone looks like. It comes with an app drawer. So here's a Redmi Note 3. For the sake of comparison, you can see the bezels on the Redmi Note 3 are really thick, and on this device it's thin. So here's a comparison from the back. You can see I've applied a case on both of the devices. So that's it for the video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section down below.